Hello, I'm Edmund Lawson, and the web tool that I'm using today is Schoology. Schoology is a learning management system that allows you to design lessons for students, or if you're in a training environment with a company, for your trainees. It's a very simple tool to use. To sign up, you would just click on here, sign up, and you would select whether you're an instructor or a parent. Once you've done that, you'll just enter your information, and then it allows you an account. The account that it gives you is just a basic account. If you were a school or a business, you would want to sign up for an enterprise account, which costs more. See, here's information about the basic account, which is free. The enterprise account connects all people, content, and systems that fuel education with a 6-time Cody award-winning learning management system. So if you wanted to go into the enterprise, so we'll click on that. It just gives you a demo. It really doesn't give you much information on the cost of that enterprise system. The developers of this, if we go here to team, you have Jeremy Friedman, Bill Kindler, Ryan Wang, and Timothy Trinidad. They're all co-founders of this website, of this learning management system. They also give you information on other team members of their executive office. If we would go on and log in, which I have here. Once you're in the site, you can view your calendar. If you need to make any updates to the calendar, you would just create information on your calendar. You have a place for messages to send and receive messages from either colleagues or students. Here's your connection tab with people, where you can go onto Facebook or Twitter to have different connections, or you can add them in. There are different groups that you can either create or join. Just playing around, I clicked on a science group, which is pretty much a blog where you can get information, give new information, suggestions for courses. They have the members here. As you can see, there's over 11,000 members worldwide, because this person is Thai. That is Thai writing there. They have albums. I have nothing in a media album. You can create courses. You can either join a course. You just need that access code to join a course, or you can create one yourself. Was just playing around. I've created a couple of courses. So this is I just named it 12th grade science, and this is the section 1, the beginning of this course. If I wanted to add material, I can add an assignment, quiz, add discussion boards, import resources. If there's any updates, I can post those updates. Gradebook, if I had students, we'll have the students, and from those assignments, quizzes, or tests that I put in there, it will give a grade and automatically calculate those grades. Here you would set up how you would like your grade book. You have badges here where you can send out to your students to give them positive reinforcement to show they're doing a great job. Here's one: perfect attendance, and they're always showing up. You have an attendance tracker to show when you would like how your students' attendance is. Here's my 2 courses that I've created. And this just gives you the analytics of the assignments that you've given, how many users you have, when they last logged in, last course access, the total time in the course, any links that you've posted, how many clicks that they've gone on the links. Here I can edit my course, I can send out messages, I can edit the privacy of the course. Alright, with resources within the tool, we have learning objectives. I have anything that I have. If I was to download anything on here, here's your public resources. There's documents and trainings that are in here that are useful. Within this site, there's a search. If I needed to search for people, courses, or groups, I can type that in. It'll take me right to it. Let's see if I wanted to search my 12th grade science class. And there it pulls me right back into that. This site does have a help tool. Here in the help tool, you can search for information. There's a frequently asked questions, blog, support community, where the students could ask. There's question and answers for the students, instructors. If you have ideas, completed feature ideas, there's information that you can see in there. Even if you needed to actually contact the support, you can select what you're trying to do. If you need to ask a question, report a bug, report misuse, submit an idea, you would do it through that contact. Here's information on the builds. This is for developers. Then you have your releases, content releases that they have. Like I said before, the site is very easy to navigate. The team here, they are verifiable. I was able to take Jeremy Freeman's information, put it into Google, and it pulled up a Twitter page on him that showed him at Schoology, at the corporate office, and them doing training. You can put in each one of these members of the executive team's name through Google, and it'll pull up information on them, so they are verifiable. And it actually shows their identities. Within the site, comments can be posted. It'll go to the instructor. The instructor themselves can put in information that, ask questions or tag anything into blogs, or even go in to ask questions on the website. As far as the student, I haven't tried a student account, so I'm not sure how far they can get, but I know they do have a help section for the students. With the site, you do have to sign up and log in, as I showed before. I'd say the tool does fulfill its actual purpose, because it allows student and teacher interaction. The information is freely available on the site. Let's see. Going back to the course that I created, if I wanted to go in and add an upcoming event, I'll just go back through here, tell them when the event is. Let's say the 24th. You don't have to add a time. We're going to say this is a test. Let's quiz, not test. We'll do a quiz. And I'm saying here, chapter 1, quiz. Let's say that, and that's my upcoming event that is coming up. Excuse me, here on this member site, if you had students, let's see, if I had members that I can go in, if there was a full list here, I would be able to go down. If a student was to leave, I can unenroll that student from this course. Let's see, here's a request. If there were any requests to come into the class or anything like that, those requests here will be pending. Here's notifications. Again, Schoology is a great tool to use just for even the basic is great. Just if you were, I'll say, even a parent that was trying to create information for your child, like through the summer, just to go in and make sure that they're doing some type of learning. You can go in and check and grade their work that you put in, and it makes it a whole lot easier. Thank you for listening.